Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space Crate for October 2020. It's much later than usual. I mean, extremely later than usual. But I think that because of COVID or shipping or, you know, times are crazy. So here it is. Okay. Sacred Space Crate. It says fragile. I can smell like, ooh, like jasmine or something. Incendia, incense sticks. Oh, this must be fire. These are so cute. Okay. Oh. A little tired, guys. I'm just getting off of work. Working a lot lately. And stuff. So, ooh, it's so full of stuff. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna do with all this. Okay. Oh, we got a dragon. It's like a tea light holder. Probably this guy goes on his head. Pretty. Ooh, sorry. Tilly Bobs are flying all over the dang place. Okay, looks like we have a spray, I think. Come to Me, Aura Spray. Oh, I like the little floaty things in it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's really cute little balls of something floating. I'm gonna have to, it's vacuum sealed, so I'm gonna have to open it to smell it. Bobo, you better be good. I'm not kidding, Fulio. Smells good. It's, it smells like clean, not too musky. Alright, and then we have an oil here. Fire ritual oil. Ooh, and it's sealed and it's got a glitter and some pretty stones in it. So let's see what, if I can get the smell of this. Ooh, it smells good. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know. Warm, but not spicy. It's kind of weird. It smells like a food or something. Something familiar, but I can't put my finger on it. Wormwood. Nice. I love these. Samhain spice. It's a tea. Black tea, pumpkin spice, which is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and marigolds. That's really cool. Okay, we've got a little stone here. Ooh, pretty. I don't know, is it a strawberry quartz or something? It's very pretty. It's got like these layers, these striations in it. It's very cool. Candle carving wand. Cute. Nice. Beautiful little like selenite pencil thing. Love it. Yes, we got a big old 7-day candle. I'm loving that. Keep them on the ofrenda. Okay. Ooh. We got it taped today. That's good. It's definitely not breaking out of here. Oh my god. I was gonna say I smell smoke or fire or campfire. I smell campfire. Fire. Oh my god, it smells like campfire and Christmas tree. I love it. 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 Campfire is one of my, even after the fire, campfire is still one of my favorite smells in the world. I absolutely, this smells divine. straight up wonderful. Okay. Let me just make sure that I got everything, because I want to move this a little bit so that I can put all the stuff in the frame so that you guys can see the deliciousness that is this box. Well worth the wait. Always worth the wait. She makes amazing product, guys. If you can get your hands on one of these, it's worth every penny. I've had some amazing. The only thing that I don't have is a salve, but that's okay. I've gotten a salve from her boxes for every box that I bought from her. Oh, so we got a fire symbol. So that's the triangle is the symbol for fire, and it's a dragon. So handsome. So I'm gonna put that right there with this here, and let me open this last. This is usually, she typically has like an adornment, but let me just double check. Yes. It's like a dragon eye. Very cool. Wow. I cannot get over the smell of this candle. It smells like the best smell ever. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh my god, dude, do you know what I just realized? I don't have an insert. Did I misplace it, or did... I knew she was gonna send the moon information digitally, but did she also send the insert and I missed it? Let me see. I'm just checking my inbox only because I could have sworn maybe she did send it and I'm just... Oh, okay, message. No, she just sent the calendar. I'll just let her know. This is the first time ever, so I'm just assuming. So, you know, the dragon, and I've got the tea light, I've got the Come To Me spray, and the fire ritual oil with the beautiful glitter, and I've got the wormwood. I've got the Sour Spice. I've got this delicious smelling candle. By far my favorite candle, like one of my favorite candles I've ever gotten. It smells so good. I've got this beautiful dragon's eye pendant. I've got a stone. I think it's a strawberry quartz, but I can't be sure. I'll just send her a message. I've got the selenite pen, the incense, and of course the decor. And that's it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the Sacred Space Crate. Melissa is amazing. I love her product. I love her boxes. I've never been disappointed in any of the boxes that I've gotten from her. And so that's it for right now. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate your guys' support. It really cheers me up during these times that have been quite trying, not just for me, but I mean, collectively, I think we're having a rough 2020. And I love you so much. Have a wonderful day.